8 DIY natural remedies for common ailments. Hello, welcome to our video on DIY natural remedies for common ailments. In this video, we will discuss simple and natural ways to use herbs to treat common health problems. These resources are easy to make at home and can be a great alternative to traditional over-the-counter ones medicines. Before we begin, it's important to note that while herbal remedies can be effective, they should not be used as a substitute for medical care. If you experience severe or persistent symptoms, it is best for you to consult a healthcare professional. Now let's dive into our list of DIY natural remedies for common ailments. Headaches. For headaches, try making a tea made from bulrush and willow bark. Feverfew is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, while willow bark contains salicylic acid, which is a similar active ingredient to aspirin. To prepare this tea, infuse 1 teaspoon of celandine and 1 teaspoon willow bark in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Insomnia. For insomnia, try making chamomile and passion flower tea. Chamomile is famous for its calming properties, while passion fruit is known to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. To prepare this tea, steep 1 teaspoon of chamomile and 1 teaspoon of passion fruit in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Colds and flu. For cold and flu symptoms, try making echinacea and elderberry tea. Echinacea is known for its immune-boosting properties, while elderberry is known to reduce the severity of cold and flu symptoms. To prepare this tea, brew 1 teaspoon of echinacea and 1 teaspoon elderberry in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Nausea. Try making ginger and peppermint tea for nausea. Ginger is known for its ability to reduce nausea, while peppermint is known to soothe upset stomachs. To prepare this tea, infuse 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of peppermint in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Stress and anxiety. For stress and anxiety, try brewing lemon balm and ashwagandha tea. Lemon balm is known for its ability to reduce stress and anxiety, while ashwagandha is known to improve the body's ability to cope with stress. To prepare this tea, steep 1 teaspoon of lemon balm and 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Sore throat. For a sore throat, try making a tea made from licorice root, sedum root, and slippery elm bark. These herbs have anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that can help reduce sore throat and inflammation. To make this tea, steep 1 teaspoon of licorice root, 1 teaspoon of marshmallow root, and 1 teaspoon of slippery elm bark in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Sinus congestion. For sinus congestion, try making eucalyptus and peppermint tea. Eucalyptus is known for its ability to clear sinuses, while peppermint soothes headaches and facial pain. To prepare this tea, infuse 1 teaspoon of eucalyptus and 1 teaspoon of peppermint in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Indigestion. For indigestion, try making tea with peppermint and fennel. Peppermint is known for its ability to soothe upset stomachs, and fennel is known for its ability to soothe stomach upsets to support digestion. To prepare this tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried peppermint leaves and 1 teaspoon of dried fennel seeds in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. It is important to note that some herbs may not be suitable for certain individuals or for certain people's situations. Always consult your doctor or certified herbalist before trying any herbal product remedies. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video very useful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health and wellness videos.